Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different because I have tried to recreate a look created by KAUSHAL Beauty, and this was her Christmas makeup tutorial. So I have tried and recreated the look that she created. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful and glamorous Christmas makeup look which Kaushal did, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'm gonna prep my face using the Farsali Skintune Blur Serum. So I'm just gonna drop that onto my face and blend it out using my fingertips. This was the exact product that Kaushal also used to prime her face. Then I'm gonna take the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in 370 and a MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Peachlights, and mix them both together on the back of my hand and dot it on my entire face and start blending it out using a buffing brush. Kaushal used a hydrating foundation from Fenty and a BECCA liquid highlighter, and this is what I own, so I'm just gonna stick to the products that I have in my kit. So yeah, I'm just going to blend it out, and that day my base looked amazing because of the strobe cream mixed in with the foundation. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to use this to sort of conceal and highlight at the same time. So I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes. Also on top of the eyelids. Kaushal did not use this on her eyelids, but I definitely need some concealing on the eyelids, and also highlighting the center of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and the chin. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend everything out. Then I'm going to take the BHARAT DORRIS Loose powder in the number 05, and I'm using the same damp beauty blender to set and bake my face. So I'm just applying that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, also on my laugh lines and the center of my nose, and after a few seconds I'm just going to brush off all of the excess powder away from my face. Also using the same loose powder to set the rest of the face as well. Then I'm going to take the NYX Matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan, and I'm going to use that to sort of add warmth and definition to my face. She is a different bronzer, but this is what I own and I love. So I'm just applying that on the hollows of the cheeks here. Using a smaller blending brush, I'm going to define my nose as well. Then I'm going to take the Lottie London Blush Crush blusher in the shade Zack, which is like a mauve matte blusher, and Kaushal used a deep plummy mauve blusher, and this is what I have, which is very similar to the one that she used. And I'm also pushing the product onto the cheeks just like how Kaushal did in her video. For highlighter, I'm taking the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. This is also the exact same product that Kaushal used. So I'm just taking a fan brush and applying that to the tops of my cheekbones and also running that through my brow bone. Also dusting some of that on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and also my chin. Then I'm going to take the Benefit Foolproof Eyebrow Powder in the shade Deep, and I'm mixing the shades from the palette, both the shades from the palette, and using a small angled brush I'm going to fill in the eyebrows. KAUSHAL used a different eyebrow pencil from Benefit, but I have the brow powder from them, so I'm just sticking to this one. Then I'm going to take the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 6, and I'm going to use that to set the eyebrows in place. Then I'm going to take the RIMMEL Scandal Eyes eyeshadow stick in the shade Bad Girl Bronze, which is a very similar color to what she used. She used the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow stick, and this shade is very close to the one that she showed in her video. So I'm just scribbling that on the eyelids. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend out the harsh edges of the stick eyeshadow on the eyelids. And this product is super convenient and easy to use. It's very easy to blend, even though it's a cream product. So I'm just layering that up a couple of times to get the intensity that I want. And again, I'm going to go in with the blending brush to blend out any harsh lines. Then I'm going to take the same matte bronzer from NYX and run that through my crease. And yeah, this is what KAUSHAL did in her video as well. Then I'm going to take the NYX matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to create a decently thick winged eyeliner. And KAUSHAL used a Huda Beauty one, but I love my NYX eyeliner and this is what I own. So yeah, I'm just creating a winged eyeliner on both my eyes. Then I'm going to take the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and I'm going to coat my top and bottom eyelashes. Then I took my Kritie Cosmetics false eyelashes in the style Lavi and applied them off camera. And again, I took the matte bronzer on the blending brush and run that through my lower lash line. Then taking the Kiko kajal in the shade Black, I'm gonna apply that to my top waterlines, and this is what she did in her video as well. She just lined the upper waterlines to make the lash line look fuller. For lipstick, I'm taking the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo, which is one of the lipstick options that KAUSHAL showed in her video, and this is such a beautiful blue based red matte lipstick. So I'm going to apply that to my entire lips. Then I'm going to take the COLORBAR Lip Definer in the shade Pure Vino, which is like a deep, dark burgundy sort of a red. So I'm just using that to line and slightly overdraw the lips, and this is what she did in her video as well. I usually line the lips first and apply any lipstick that I want, but today I just did it in a different way and I really like the outcome. Then I took the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Cherry Skies, which is like a deep red glossy lipstick. So I'm just applying that on the top of the matte lipstick. KAUSHAL used a butter gloss from NYX, and this is what I own in a red glossy finish. So I just applied that and I really like the outcome. So this is the final look, guys. I tried to recreate the look created by KAUSHAL Beauty and I was really happy with the outcome. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. And also let me know if you're a KAUSHAL Beauty fan as well. I love her and I love her videos. And yeah, so this is it for today, and I shall see you all soon in my next video. Bye.